Hi everyone, I'm Anita Vermeer and I'm the author of Riddles and Rhymes. The first one I'm holding up today is called Fun Seasonal Themes. The books are for kids, parents, and educators because it can be used in a classroom or at home. So the way it works, there are topics and themes that children can relate to. So for example, in the seasonal themes, there'll be winter, fall, spring, and summer, as well as things like Halloween, Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day, and weather. And then inside, there will be a page with a topic, such as Valentine's Day. And underneath, there are 8 riddles to read with a blank at the end of each riddle. And it rhymes. So, for example, here's one that matches Valentine's time. This is a color that we know to wear with pink or white for show, on your clothes or on your head. At Valentine's, we all wear. So it rhymes with head, it matches the Valentine's theme, and so you know it's red. And then in the back, there are 2 other sections that are very helpful. There's the word cards. So here you can see all the Valentine word cards, and you can use them in a lot of different ways. So you can check out the instructional ideas in here for ways to use the word cards. There are also these matching sections where the children can draw a line or fill in the blank, and there's different ways to use them beyond just this worksheet. So I really encourage you to read inside to see the different ways to use it. If you go to my website, anitavermeer27.com, you'll find out how to get your own copy of the book or download some samples. There's also some videos that I've posted there, especially the ones with my son, as we've been having lots of fun with it. And if you are Instagram or Facebook user, look for me, Anita Vermeer 27. Bye.